Hi, this is Mike Hendrickson from Solid 2014 in Fort Mason, San Francisco. I'm here with James Thomas and Andy Ellicott from IBM. How are you guys doing?
Yeah, I'm great, thanks. Having a really good conference. Nice to be here.
Good. So what's good about the conference?
I think just getting to interact with the developers and understand all the amazing stuff that people are doing. It's great to see the different scales of companies and startups here, from GE to IBM to some of these great guys from IT. So just to see all the amazing things that people have been doing this year.
Excellent. Andy, what's your impression so far?
Similarly, robots. You gotta love a show with robots.
Yeah.
Again, I echo what James said, and that's what's kept me in application development for so many decades, is really on the forefront of it and finding out how new applications are changing industry, culture, health, and so on. So it's really intriguing. Great content.
So you're with the Cloudant group at...
Which IBM acquired in February, yes.
Okay. And so what do you guys do with IBM now?
Cloudant is a database as a service, and for developers of IoT applications, web and mobile, who need to keep track of geospatial data, replicate data to devices, and from sensors back to servers and analyze it, and without having to employ legions of database administrators and database architects. They can do it faster and more economically with Cloudant.
Excellent. So, and James, you're with BlueMix?
Yeah, that's right. So I'm a developer advocate for IBM's new cloud platform, and it's really about allowing developers to have the idea, to write some code, and to get it out there without worrying about infrastructure. So stop wasting your time installing servers and set up networking and routing. Write your code, use our cloud platform. It's based on open source and no vendor lock-in, and it allows developers to get much quicker to the market.
And so which industries do you guys think are going to start moving towards this Internet of Things, machine-to-machine data that's stored in the cloud as well? What is there an industry that's really primed for this, or?
I mean, I think you can talk about all industries. You can talk about healthcare, finance, insurance. I think it's cloud and Internet of Things is transformational now. We're really coming into a new era of computing. You've got lots of interesting cognitive stuff. IBM has a Watson product as well that is very interesting in that kind of cognitive space. So as developers, the barrier to entry is so low now that you're seeing huge innovation and rapid innovation across all industries. So it's a very exciting time to be involved in technology.
And if there's any verticals in the IBM ecosystem, do you see any early adopters moving more quickly? Or?
Yeah, when the Cloudant's customer base, entertainment is a big one. Oculus and Hasbro, both using Cloudant to develop new internet-enabled goods and for consumers. And then, like industry is another big one as well.
Excellent. So are we going to see you guys at Future Solids?
We hope so. We'd love to come back. It's been great to speak to all the people today, and they seem to have a really good experience with IBM, so we'd love to come back, and I'm sure we'll be running next year. It's been very popular from what I've seen.
Good, excellent. Andy?
Definitely. More slides. It's been a great show, great inaugural show, and we'll see you at OSCON and Strata Velocity as well.
Strata, we'll be at Strata.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you in the future. Thanks.
Mike.
Thanks, Mike.
Thanks, Andy. Good.